This is a textile processing factory. It's a complex industrial enterprise with many logistic and management tasks. Only this workshop has about 50 employees. There are also other workshops, logistics and sales departments. And this is Tom Burton, the manager of this factory. How is he able alone to keep track of such a large company? iKvant will help him do this. Production automation and management system. With it, Tom received operational statistics, real-time control, inventory accuracy, increased workflow productivity and production growth up to 20%, and as a result, increased sales by 15%. Let's take a look at how it works with the example of a textile processing factory. It starts with the receiving of raw materials. The incoming cargo is registered by weight using the trailer scale module, which will later help to calculate the difference between the weight of arrival and departure of the truck. The scale module records the units of raw materials sent to the warehouse and provides individual barcode labels for easy tracking. In-process production handling consists of two stages, primary and fine sorting, which are controlled by iKvant standard blocks. At each stage, the consume scanner module registers raw and semi-finished products delivered from the warehouse to the workplace. There, the modules of the monitoring group display the weight and the fulfillment of the planned parameters in real time at each position. The results are recorded by the scale module as units, go to the packaging and are labeled, and then arrive at the warehouse. The bale replace module is used for repackaging and processing to ensure the integrity of material flow statistics. The factory constantly performs shipping of completed orders to customers from the warehouse and from production. For this purpose, the sales team uses the export module. This module provides one with capabilities to manage articles, prices, work with clients, create orders, edit their priorities, as well as prepare documents for their execution. When needed products are ready to the order, mobile scan module will allow to perform loading of finished products articles with usage of mobile devices, while control module provides detailed statistics on the operation of the company's production process, warehouse conditions and orders in real time. The system provides actual statistics and control, in the form of summary tables, SSAS analytics, mobile KPI application, as well as exchange with accounting and HR systems such as SAP or Unit4. Thanks to these modules and the iKvant system, Tom Burton can conveniently manage his factory. iKvant, production automation and management system for industrial enterprises.